In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot platform effectively using its comprehensive user guide. Whether you're setting up new features or troubleshooting existing ones, this guide is a handy tool for making the most out of HubSpot's diverse functionalities. So let's dive right into it. First, make sure you have access to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, open up a web browser and head over to the user guide on HubSpot's platform. This can be accessed by visiting the web page designed specifically for HubSpot users, which will serve as our starting point today. You'll see different tabs and options, guiding you through various features that HubSpot offers. Next, locate and click on the Service tab, which usually represents a category of tools designed to enhance customer service management. Clicking on this tab will present you with various options that are all about optimizing how you manage customer interactions and support. It's a good place to familiarize yourself with if you're aiming to improve your client service strategies. Following that, within the Service section, find the option labeled Chat Flows. When you click on Chat Flows, you'll enter a segment dedicated to creating automated chat interactions. This powerful feature allows you to streamline customer communications in an efficient, user-friendly manner. Especially useful for small to large businesses, Chat Flows can handle frequently asked questions and direct customer inquiries to appropriate channels without human intervention initially. As you explore this section, think about how chat flows can integrate into your support strategy, making customer service seamless. Once you understand the chat flows feature, move on by selecting Create Chat Flow. This button allows you to begin configuring a new automated chat feature, which can be tailored to specific needs or objectives your organization might have. Creating a chat flow is an intuitive process with HubSpot's user-friendly interface. You may be guided through steps like selecting a format, be it a welcome message, a feedback request, or customer support ticketing, right through to tailoring responses to fit your brand's tone. Each of these stages offers customization options. Tailor your chat flow dialogues according to the typical questions your team receives. This ensures that you are structuring the interaction pathway most effectively, ensuring customers receive prompt and helpful responses each time. Finally, after setting up your chat flow, go ahead and test it out. Run scenarios to examine how your new setup works operationally and tweak anything that doesn't seem intuitive or comprehensive. This final check will help iron out any wrinkles before your automated chats go live, ensuring a smooth experience for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through some essential features of HubSpot, enabling your business to engage more efficiently with your customer base. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you leverage HubSpot's robust platform to its full potential.